Hello everyone, Checkmate here, and today I will teach you how to import different objects into your Blender screen. First of all, let me tell you how to delete an object in Blender. Click on the object and then press X. When you press X, it will appear a delete button. Press on delete and it will be gone. Now, to import an object, first of all, you can press Shift A. You will see this menu. On the top, there is an option called Mesh. Clicking on Mesh, you will see several more options that are plane, cube, circle, UV sphere, icosphere, cylinder, cone, and torus. You can also see two more options of grid and monkey. By default, these are the options that you can see. Now, pressing on plane. When you press the plane, a plane will appear in your screen. Let's make it bigger by pressing S. Again, press Shift A, Mesh, and then Cube. And let's get a monkey head too, just for fun. By this method, you can import basic objects into your screen, from which you can start modeling your model that can be anything. If you want to import some other file, that is like object file or FBX file, what you can do it, press on File and then go to Import. When you come to Import, you can see both options here, that is object and FBX. Let's import an object file first. Pressing on object, you can go into your computer and let's import this file. When importing, it will take a few minutes, and now it is imported like this. Thank you for watching. We will continue teaching 3D Blender in next video.